Does it look ridiculous? You laugh every time.
I think you look great.
Part of why I think our degrees are so useful and relevant is because, you know, we don't just cover theory, we also cover practice.
Our students get to go in the field pretty much from the 4th week of being here. They get taken around the park and we open their eyes just to how fascinating the rocks are.
And we're heading to the Isle of Egg to meet with local community members and talk about what it's like to live on a small island that's battered by all sorts of hazards, but also that has its own energy supply.
Our main field trip is to Jamaica to study marine and terrestrial biogeochemistry.
You have a residential trip to Wales, you've got a trip to Spain, a trip to Iceland.
There's nothing more that I want from my degree than to be out in the field as a field ecologist, getting my hands dirty, collecting soil, and taking those samples to the lab. So it's been a great mix between being out in the field and also in the lab.
I've forgotten it.
Thank you.